welcome to my channel. In this video, I will demonstrate how to install Miniconda on any Linux machine through the terminal. The process is very straight. First, we open our browser and you can write there the Miniconda and it will land you on the Miniconda homepage. And here we on the left side on the Miniconda documentation, we go to the latest Miniconda installer links by the Python version, and here we can see the different installers are available for Windows, Mac OS and Linux. And we can see because depend on the Python version. So first we need to confirm our Python version in our Linux machine. So we comes to our terminal window and we just simply write here python 3 hyphen hyphen version and press enter. So we can see we have 3.10. So we go back to our browser and we select Miniconda 3 Linux 64-bit installer by doing a right click and copy the link, and we back again to our terminal window and we simply write here wget and paste our previously copied link and enter, and within a few seconds the download is start and the Miniconda installer will be downloaded in our home directory. As you can see, the download is complete and we have this Miniconda executable file, miniconda.sh file. And now after completion we have to make this file executable. So for this, to make the file executable, we write chmod change mode u plus x and we give the file name Miniconda and just press enter. So now our next step is to install the Miniconda. So how we do that? For that we write here dot forward slash and the name of the file Miniconda, and we just press enter. Press until it will prompt yes or no to accept the license. So we say yes and it's saying more, keep and pressing enter, and now at one point it started saying us yes and no. This is a prompt. As I said earlier, it's a license term and conditions, so we have to say yes. If we say don't say yes, we don't find the Miniconda in our machine. So I write here yes, press enter. It asking to initiate the Miniconda, it asking to confirm the Miniconda location. So I will just press enter, and now it's unpacking full installer, and in the other words I will say installing the Miniconda. So now after extracting all the packages, now it asking to initialize the conda. So we have to say here yes, and as we say yes, our conda is initialized. At this point we need close our terminal and reopen again. So I will just close the terminal and I will reopen the new terminal window and make it a little bigger so we can see more easily. And now as you can see, as I open the terminal, we got here in the parenthesis a base. So first we check what is the conda version we got. Conda hyphen hyphen version, I made it mistake, conda hyphen hyphen here si version. So you see we got the conda 23.11 and we can update also here conda update conda. So if there's any updates, conda will automatically update. And you can see we have the 3 channels here: bioconda, conda forge and default. As you can see, as we give the command conda update conda, it have updated and it asking us to proceed. We just say yes, why, and it will download all the dependencies whatever the new in the new version of conda. So we can repeat the command again, conda hyphen hyphen version, and it says 23.11.0. Earlier it was a 23 point some, I don't remember. Now after updating a conda, installing a conda and updating a conda, and we will prepare a make and one conda environment. And how we do that? It's very simple. We just write a conda create hyphen n and name of the environment what we saying depending on the project whatever you like. So for this tutorial, for the purpose of this tutorial, I will just say like an test conda and press enter, and it will take a few seconds and will comes as an environment named test conda. So now it's asking us to proceed and we say yes, and now it came up with the name of the environment test conda, and is asking us to activate the test conda environment using a command line conda activate test conda. And as you see, the base is changed to the test conda in the parentheses, and now we are in our conda environment. And in this conda environment, which is completely separate and isolated from the base environment, we can use to download, install libraries, packages according to our project need. For example, I will here, for the sake of a demonstration, I will download or install a bioinformatic tool, SAM tools. How we do that? So let's see. We just write conda install SAM tools, and it will bring the SAM tool from the different channels. You can see it took a few seconds and it came up with the command is saying proceed, and we can see up here it have a bring the SAM tools from the channel called bioconda, and we just write here yes and hit enter. It will download all the dependencies for this environment. And now it asking it preparing the transaction done, verifying transaction done, executing done, and our test conda environment is done. So now we can check whether this tool is really downloaded and is really working. So how we do that? We just very simple write a sam tools hyphen hyphen help. If it's working good, it will show up all the help commands for this tool, and we just press enter. And yes, we have all the tools, statistics, file operations, editing, indexing commands of the SAM tools. So like this, we install the tools, different library or tools, and if you want to deactivate the environment, it's very simple also. You just write conda deactivate and hit enter. So now you can see from test conda we back to our base environment. So like this, we have installed our Miniconda using the terminal, and we also learn how to make an environment and how to install the library or a package in our environment, which is completely separate from the base environment. So this is all for that for this today's tutorial, and I hope you like the video. Please hit the subscribe button and the bell icon for the further notifications. Thanks for the watching.